Hello guys, welcome you all in this class. As you can see on the screen, today we are going to perform a small quiz on chapter Sound Class 8 with MCQ type questions and we will discuss their answer. So choose the correct option. Question number 1 you can see in front of the screen. The voice box is also called as. There are 4 options: stomach, heart, larynx and mouth. तो वॉइस बॉक्स का दूसरा नाम क्या है बच्चों? अनदर नेम फॉर वॉइस बॉक्स इज जस्ट देयर इज अ टाइम टू गिव आंसर एंड नाउ लेट अस सी which is correct answer. You can see the correct answer on the screen. Option C is correct here, larynx. So students, we have also discussed during our regular classes that voice box in a human also called larynx. Now let us proceed for the next question, that is question number 2. You can see question number 2 you can see in front of the screen. Now there is a time to give answer. There are 4 options. Sound is a kind of dash. Very easy question it is. If you know the definition of sound well, अगर आप साउंड के डेफिनेशन से अच्छी तरह से परिचित हैं तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं sound is a type of what? Sound is a kind of obviously energy. So question number 2, there is answer on the screen. It is B, energy. Now let us proceed for the question number 3. The hearing range of human ear is. Hearing range of human ear. Students, you all are aware with audible sound. There is a time to give answer. There are 4 options: 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, less than 20 Hz, more than 20,000 Hz, and 20 Hz to 25,000 Hz. So students, we have studied during our regular classes that human range of hearing is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This is also called audible range of sound. Audible मतलब जिस रेंज को हम सुन सकते हैं, जिस रेंज ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी को ह्यूमन ईयर पहचानता है, सुन सकता है, पहचान सकता है. द ह्यूमन ईयर इज सेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज. यू कैन सी द आंसर नाउ. Now question number 4 is in front of the. Pitch of sound is determined by its. There are 4 options: frequency, speed, amplitude and loudness. There is time to give answer. Pitch of sound is determined by which of the characteristic? Obviously option A is correct. It is frequency. Let us check. You can see the answer in front of the screen. Pitch of sound is determined by its frequency. We have studied about the 3 characteristics of sound: loudness, pitch and quality of sound. Out of these 3 characteristics, loudness depends upon frequency, and next the last characteristic we have studied about quality of sound, which depends upon waveform. So the correct answer of question number 4 is frequency. 4A is the right answer. Now question number 5 you can see. The frequency of subsonic sound is. Frequency of subsonic sound. Subsonic means here infrasonic. You can choose the option, correct option. Infrasonic, that is the less than hearing range. ऑडिबल साउंड से कम फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम लोग सबसोनिक या इंफ्रासोनिक बोलते हैं. So obviously the correct answer is option C, less than 20 Hz, because 20 Hz to 20,000 is audible or sonic range. So subsonic is less than. Sub means junior or less. So subsonic is less than 20 Hz, that is less than audible range. Let us check the answer. You can see it is less than 20 Hz, option C. Now next question, question number 6 is in front of your screen. Cochlea is a part of. Just choose the correct option. This is time to give the correct answer. Hearing organ, sound producing organ, muscular organ और air pollution. कोक्लिया किसका पार्ट है? इनमें से किसका पार्ट है? हियरिंग ऑर्गन का पार्ट है, या साउंड प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन का पार्ट है, या मस्कुलर ऑर्गन का पार्ट है, या फिर एयर पॉल्यूशन से रिलेटेड कोई टर्म? तो वेरी इजी इट इज. वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट ह्यूमन ईयर एंड ईयर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ह्यूमन हियरिंग. कोक्लिया इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन ईयर. इंटरनल इनर ईयर जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं, इनर ईयर का पार्ट है ये. सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ हियरिंग ऑर्गन, दैट इज ईयर, ह्यूमन ईयर. सो लेट अस चेक द करेक्ट आंसर. इट शुड बी ऑप्शन ए. यस, correct answer is A, hearing organ. So cochlea is a part of hearing organ. Now let us proceed for the question number 7. यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन 1 हर्ट्ज इज इक्वल टू 1 हर्ट्ज किसके बराबर होगा? देखो बच्चे 1 हर्ट्ज हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है 1 वाइब्रेशन पर सेकेंड, but here options are given in per minute. Per minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So if 1 vibration in 1 second, then in 1 minute there will 60 seconds and along with 60 vibrations. So 60 vibrations per minute. समझ रहे हो ना? 1 सेकेंड में 1 वाइब्रेशन तो 1 हर्ट्ज कहलाता है, तो 1 मिनट में कितने वाइब्रेशन कंप्लीट होंगे इस रेट से? ऑब्वियसली 1 मिनट जो 60 सेकेंड्स के बराबर होता है और 60 सेकेंड्स में 60 वाइब्रेशंस कंप्लीट होंगे. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, 60 वाइब्रेशंस पर मिनट. लेट अस चेक आवर आंसर. ऑब्वियसली आंसर सी इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्क्रीन. करेक्ट आंसर 60 वाइब्रेशंस पर मिनट. नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, sound cannot travel through. There are 4 options and this is the time to choose the correct option. Sound cannot travel through air, water. Air is written twice. Air दो बार लिखा है by mistake. And vacuum. So if there would be a correct option, if air would be a correct option, then there may be confusion, but air is not correct. Sound can travel through air. So the correct answer is vacuum. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Vacuum is space where there is nothing, not even air. जहाँ कोई भी किसी प्रकार का मटेरियल मीडियम नहीं हो, उसको हम लोग वैक्यूम बोलते हैं. किसी तरह का कोई मटेरियल सब्सटेंस नहीं हो, उसको हम लोग वैक्यूम बोलते हैं. और वो साउंड ट्रेवलिंग को सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. So sound cannot travel through what? Vacuum. Let us check the answer. Obviously we have done the correct. 8D, vacuum is the correct answer. Now question number 9, the sound in the audible range is called. The sound in the audible range, जस्ट अभी क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि ऑडिबल रेंज यानी जो हियरिंग, ऑडिबल मतलब विच कैन बी हर्ड, सुनने लायक. तो सुनने लायक जो रेंज है वो हमारा कौन सा है? अल्ट्रासोनिक. नहीं, ये सुनने से ज़्यादा है, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सुनने वाले रेंज से अधिक होती है. सोनिक, यस इट इज़ ऑडिबल रेंज. सब सोनिक, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सुनने से कम होती है. और लाइट साउंड, देयर इज अ रॉन्ग ऑप्शन, टोटली मीनिंगलेस ऑप्शन, लाइट साउंड. So the correct option is B, sonic sound. 9B is correct option. You can see the correct answer in front of your screen. Now the last question, that is question number 10. Very easy question it is. Speed is what? Speed is equivalent to, or which formula represents the correct formula for speed? Obviously it is distance traveled by time. So first option, that is option A, distance traveled by time is correct. Let us see the answer. Let us check the answer. Obviously it is correct. So with these 10 questions we have completed our today's quiz on this YouTube channel. With these words we are going to end this quiz. Jai Hind.